Another day, Raju received a call from the bank.
Hello, Mr. Raju. I am calling from XYZ Bank. Congratulations, sir. Your credit card is eligible for a limit upgrade.
Oh, thanks. What will be the new limit?
The new limit will be increased to 5 lakh rupees from your current limit of 1 lakh rupees.
Oh, that's great.
Sir, you will need to confirm the free limit upgrade code which will be delivered to you. Shall I proceed?
Yes, please.
Your card number is 4500100010001000. You must have received an activation code in SMS. Please share.
Yes, it's 123456.
Thanks for the confirmation. Your card limit is upgraded now, and you will receive an SMS regarding this within the next 2 hours. Have a nice day.
Sometime later, Raju received an SMS from his bank about debit of 70,000 rupees on his credit card. He was cheated by the fraudster.
Don't trust unknown callers for credit card activation and limit enhancement. And don't share your card details OTP with anyone. For social cause by Kardey Intanges and co-supported by OneShell.